Hi, in this video I want to show you how to reset your Amazon Echo Show 8. This is the latest version that came out, I think, in 2025. So let me start from the very beginning. So you're over here, you're gonna drag down from the top of the screen down and select Settings. Then you're gonna select Device Options on the left side. Go down until you see About this device. Tap on this option. And here you're going to have a few different informations, but at the end, we're going to get Reset to Factory Default. Tap on this. If you want to delete absolutely everything, including your Amazon account, the registered the device, okay? Imagine you want to resell it and you don't want the other person to have any of your personal data. You need to select Reset to Factory Defaults. If you choose the first option, Reset to Factory Defaults, but retain smart home device connection, well, in that case, it will not deregister your device, and yeah, it's not really a factory reset. So I'm going to select the lower option. It will ask you to confirm. Click reset, and now simply wait a few seconds. It doesn't take much time. You're gonna see the Amazon logo, and soon we're gonna get the startup screen so that we can set up this Echo Show 8 again from the beginning. The device will be like a brand new one. All right, so it took around a minute, and here we go. We are on the main display and we can set it up as a fresh device. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if my video was helpful. It's helping my channel every time people comment, every time people like, subscribe, all the good stuff. And I wish you a beautiful day. See you.